Hello and welcome. So far, we've created tables, forms, and dialogues. But there's one important question left. How does a user actually open all of this? That's where menu items come in. Menu items are the entry points of the application. Users don't open forms directly. They click menu items. You can think of menu items like doors. Forms exist inside the building, but menu items decide which door opens which room. In this video, we'll focus mainly on display menu items. But I'll also briefly touch on action menu items, because we'll use them later for leave approval. Let's start with the basics. There are different types of menu items. The most common ones are display, action, and output. A display menu item is used to open a form. That's it. No logic. No processing. Just open and show data. So whenever you want users to view or maintain data, you use a display menu item. Let's create one for our project. We'll create a display menu item for the employees form. In Visual Studio, right-click on the project, click Add, then under User Interface, select Menu Items, and then Display Menu Item. Give it a meaningful name. In most of the cases I name it same as form name. Then set the object property to the form name. In our case, LM Employees. Once this is done, this menu item now knows which form it should open. You can also set properties like label, help text, and security. Once attached to a menu, users can open the employee form using this menu item. Next, we do the same for other two forms. No shortcuts. No hard-coded calls. Just standard navigation. Now a quick note on action menu items. Action menu items are used to trigger logic. They don't open forms. They run actions. In our project, we'll use action menu items later for leave approval actions. We won't go deep into them in this video. But just remember this: display menu items are for showing things. Action menu items are for doing things. And similarly, output menu items are for reporting purpose. Mixing them up usually leads to confusion, and sometimes broken buttons. Now that we have menu items created for all three forms, let's put them to use. We open the All Leave Requests form. In the Action pane, inside the Action button group that we created earlier, we can simply drag and drop the new Leave Request menu item. Once we do that, the form automatically gets a new button. If you check the preview, you'll see it right away. Clicking this button opens the new Leave Request dialog. No extra code. No direct form calls. Just menu items doing exactly what they're meant to do. This is how forms and dialogues are cleanly connected in the system. So far, we've seen that menu items can be added directly to forms. Just like we did with the new Leave Request button. That works perfectly when a user is already inside a form. But here's the real question. From where does the user open the All Leave Requests form in the first place? Users don't start their day inside a form. They start from the navigation menu. And that's where menus come in. Menus decide where forms live, how users find them, and how easy they are to access. In the next video, we'll place our menu items into proper menus, so users can open all leave requests without guessing or clicking everywhere. Thanks for watching. And remember, a form without a menu item is like a door without a handle.